In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily edit pictures with PowerPoint, a surprisingly powerful tool that might already be sitting on your computer. You might think PowerPoint is only for creating presentations, but it also offers a variety of image editing options that are both simple and effective. Let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't already have it installed, you may need to download and install it first. Once you've opened PowerPoint, navigate to the presentation where your image is located, or simply start a new one if you'd like to experiment with some editing features. Next, locate the picture you want to work with on your slide. Simply click on the picture to highlight it. This will let PowerPoint know you're ready to make some changes. Once your image is selected, you can proceed to the next step, which involves right-clicking on the picture. This action brings up a contextual menu, giving you a variety of options tailored to your object, in this case your picture. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select Format Shape. Although this option might seem like it's meant for other types of objects, it works perfectly for pictures as well. Once you click on Format Shape, a panel will open up on the right side of your screen. This panel is key to unlocking a range of editing features that PowerPoint has to offer. On this panel, you'll find several tabs and options that allow you to modify various aspects of your picture. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, and even the saturation to make your picture pop. There are also options for applying presets and artistic effects that can transform the look and feel of your image with just a few clicks. Additionally, you can add borders, shadows, and even reflections to give your picture some extra flair. One of the great things about using PowerPoint for editing is that it's non-destructive, meaning your original image remains unchanged. This is ideal if you want to experiment with different looks, since you can easily revert back to the original without losing any of your previous work. As you make adjustments, keep an eye on your image to see how the changes impact its overall appearance. Take your time experimenting with different settings until your picture looks just the way you want it to. That's it. You've now learned how to use PowerPoint to edit pictures quickly and easily. Whether you're enhancing images for a presentation or just touching up some photos, PowerPoint offers a robust set of tools to help you achieve professional looking results. Now go ahead and give it a try. Happy editing.